In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify checkout payment errors. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spot what's wrong, correct it confidently, and decide who to contact if the issue persists. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. Open Settings, then Payments. This page is your command center for checkout. Scan the payment provider section for any error messages or warnings. These alerts often point you straight to the cause, like a missing verification or an expired connection. Make sure your chosen provider, whether it's Shopify Payments, Stripe, or PayPal, is selected and connected. Then double-check the details on file. Your bank information and any required credentials must be accurate and must match what your payment provider has on record. If something has recently changed, such as a bank account update, update it here as well. When reviewing sensitive fields like API credentials, confirm they're correct, but avoid sharing or exposing that information anywhere. If you're not sure what a field should contain, check your payment provider's documentation or dashboard for the exact values. Next, confirm that your store isn't in test mode. Test mode is great for trial runs, but it blocks real payments. In the same Payments page, click Manage next to your provider and look for the toggle labeled Enable Test Mode. Make sure it's turned off. If it was on, disable it and save your changes. Give your storefront a quick refresh and try a small test purchase with a real payment method to verify that the change took effect. Now, let's make sure your Shopify account is actually able to accept payments. If your store is on a trial or paused plan, checkout will be disabled for customers. Go to Settings, then Billing, and confirm that you're on an active paid plan. If you sell subscriptions, also confirm that you're using a payment gateway that supports automatic subscription charging. If your gateway doesn't support it, customers may see errors at checkout even if one-time purchases work. If the issue continues after these checks, reach out to your payment gateway support first. Provide them with the exact error message, the time it occurred, and a brief description of what the customer was trying to do. If they confirm everything is fine on their end, contact Shopify support with the same details and note what your provider told you. This helps both teams pinpoint the cause faster. That's it. Follow these steps in order and you'll resolve the most common checkout payment errors quickly and confidently.